Come test drive the 2016 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, this vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather trim seats, stability control, traction control, cruise control, audio, internet radio, Pandora, compass, power brakes, clock, trip computer, child safety locks. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.